Drinks rich in collagen get glowing skin now. Hello everyone. Collagen is the key to youthful skin, strong hair, and flexible joints, but as we age, our body's natural production decreases. Fortunately, you can boost collagen levels through your diet. In this video, we'll introduce 8 powerful drinks that promote collagen production and keep your skin glowing. From antioxidant-rich green tea with honey and lemon to nutrient-packed bone broth and refreshing strawberry smoothies, each drink offers amazing benefits. You'll also discover the power of aloe vera juice, chia seed orange juice, golden turmeric lattes, and creamy avocado pineapple smoothies. These drinks not only enhance skin health but also support digestion, strengthen the immune system, and improve overall well-being. Let's dive in. 1. Green tea lemonade. Refreshing and packed with antioxidants, green tea lemonade is a fantastic drink for boosting collagen production and promoting youthful skin. Green tea is rich in catechins, powerful antioxidants that protect skin cells from damage and slow aging. Lemon, high in vitamin C, plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis, helping to keep your skin firm and radiant. Adding a touch of honey not only enhances the flavor but also provides antibacterial and anti-inflammatory benefits. To make this revitalizing drink, simply brew green tea, let it cool, then mix it with freshly squeezed lemon juice and a drizzle of honey. Serve it over ice for a refreshing, skin-loving beverage. Enjoy this simple yet powerful drink daily to nourish your body from within and maintain a healthy, glowing complexion. 2. Bone broth. Warm and nourishing, bone broth is a powerhouse of nutrients that support overall health and promote youthful skin. Rich in collagen, amino acids, and minerals, it helps strengthen joints, improve digestion, and enhance skin elasticity. Collagen, the key protein in bone broth, plays a vital role in reducing wrinkles and keeping skin firm and hydrated. The slow simmering process extracts essential nutrients like glycine and proline, which aid in tissue repair and inflammation reduction. To make bone broth, simmer animal bones with water, herbs, and vegetables for several hours to release their nutrients. For an extra boost, add ingredients like garlic, ginger, or apple cider vinegar. Drinking bone broth regularly not only supports your skin but also strengthens your immune system and gut health. Enjoy this comforting, nutrient-rich drink as part of your daily routine for a radiant complexion and overall vitality. 3. Berry collagen smoothie. Packed with antioxidants and skin-loving nutrients, this berry collagen smoothie is a delicious way to nourish your body from the inside out. A blend of vibrant berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries provides powerful antioxidants that combat free radicals, keeping your skin youthful and glowing. Adding collagen powder enhances skin elasticity, strengthens hair and nails, and supports joint health. Greek yogurt or a plant-based alternative offers a creamy texture while providing gut-friendly probiotics and protein. A splash of almond milk or coconut water keeps it light and refreshing, while a drizzle of honey or a banana adds natural sweetness. For an extra boost, include chia seeds or flax seeds for fiber and omega-3s. Blend everything together for a smooth, nutrient-rich drink that promotes radiant skin, strong joints, and overall wellness. Enjoy this revitalizing smoothie as a breakfast option or a midday energy boost. 4. Aloe vera juice. Refreshing and packed with health benefits, aloe vera juice is a natural way to hydrate and nourish your body. Made from the gel inside aloe vera leaves, this drink is known for its soothing properties, aiding digestion, supporting gut health, and promoting clear skin. Rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and enzymes, it helps combat inflammation and boosts immunity. Aloe vera juice also acts as a natural detoxifier, flushing out toxins and promoting a healthy liver. With its hydrating effects, it supports skin elasticity and a glowing complexion. You can enjoy it on its own or mix it with water, citrus juice, or honey for a milder taste. Whether you drink it in the morning for digestion or as a refreshing pick-me-up, aloe vera juice is a simple yet powerful addition to a healthy lifestyle. 5. Strawberry and mint infused water. Light, refreshing, and naturally flavorful, strawberry and mint-infused water is a perfect way to stay hydrated while enjoying a hint of natural sweetness. Fresh strawberries add a burst of fruity flavor and are packed with antioxidants, vitamin C, and essential nutrients that support immunity and skin health. Mint leaves bring a cool, refreshing touch while aiding digestion and promoting relaxation. This simple yet revitalizing drink is a great alternative to sugary beverages, helping you stay hydrated without added calories. To prepare, simply add sliced strawberries and fresh mint leaves to a pitcher of water, let it infuse for a few hours, and enjoy a subtly flavored, refreshing drink. Perfect for any time of day. This infused water not only quenches thirst but also provides a boost of natural goodness. Stay refreshed and energized with every sip. 6. Chia seeds and orange juice. Packed with nutrients and bursting with citrus flavor, chia seeds and orange juice make a powerhouse combination for a refreshing and nourishing drink. Chia seeds are rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants, helping to support digestion, boost energy, and keep you feeling full longer. Fresh orange juice provides a vibrant, tangy sweetness along with a high dose of vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and promotes healthy skin. When soaked in orange juice, chia seeds absorb liquid and form a gel-like texture, creating a satisfying and hydrating beverage. Simply mix a tablespoon of chia seeds into a glass of fresh orange juice, stir well, and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before enjoying. This drink is a delicious and natural way to fuel your body, keeping you refreshed and energized throughout the day. 7. Ginger turmeric latte golden milk. Warm, comforting, and packed with health benefits, the ginger turmeric latte, also known as golden milk, is a soothing drink that supports your wellness from the inside out. Turmeric, the star ingredient, contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that boosts collagen production and aids in skin health. Combined with a touch of black pepper, which helps absorb curcumin, this golden beverage offers powerful support for your immune system, joint health, and skin rejuvenation. Enjoy it as a calming nightcap or a cozy morning pick-me-up. With its vibrant golden color and rich flavor, the ginger turmeric latte is not only a delicious treat but a natural remedy to promote overall health and radiant skin. 8. Avocado and pineapple smoothie. This creamy and tropical avocado and pineapple smoothie is a nourishing powerhouse that's perfect for boosting your collagen levels. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, vitamin E, and vitamin C, which help maintain skin hydration, protect against oxidative damage, and support collagen synthesis. Pineapples add a tangy sweetness while providing an additional dose of vitamin C, along with bromelain, a digestive enzyme that promotes healthy digestion. Together, these fruits create a smooth, refreshing drink that supports skin elasticity, improves skin texture, and enhances overall health. For an extra collagen boost, add a scoop of collagen powder to the mix. Whether as a quick meal replacement, post-workout fuel, or a nutritious snack, this smoothie offers a delicious and effective way to nourish your skin and body. 9. Cucumber and mint infused water. This refreshing infused water is a perfect blend of cucumber and mint, offering a natural way to hydrate and promote healthy, glowing skin. Cucumbers are rich in silica, a mineral vital for collagen production, helping to maintain skin elasticity and firmness. Mint, packed with antioxidants and vitamins, soothes the skin and provides a cooling effect while also aiding digestion. This drink not only refreshes the body but also supports detoxification by flushing out toxins. To prepare, simply add cucumber slices and fresh mint leaves to water, letting it infuse for a few hours. It's a delicious, easy way to support collagen production and enjoy radiant skin. Incorporating collagen-boosting drinks into your diet is an easy and effective way to nourish your skin and support overall health. Whether it's the refreshing green tea lemonade, the nutrient-packed bone broth, or the tropical avocado and pineapple smoothie, each drink offers unique benefits to enhance your collagen production, improve skin elasticity, and boost hydration. By adding these drinks to your daily routine, you can enjoy glowing, youthful skin while promoting better digestion, immune function, and joint health. Remember, consistency is key, so make these beverages a part of your healthy lifestyle for long-lasting benefits. Cheers to better health and radiant skin. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights. By sharing this knowledge, we can help more people achieve healthier, glowing skin and overall well-being. Remember, taking care of your health should be a priority, and small changes like incorporating these collagen-boosting drinks can make a big difference. Stay committed to your health, nourish your body, and always be curious about how to improve your wellness. Let's keep exploring together because a healthy lifestyle is the best investment you can make. Stay healthy and take care of yourself.